Leverage the Facebook's algorithms to show you your competitors' ads as part of this strategy. And then make sure you open the links in your email, because what you're doing is triggering the pixel on their website so they display ads on your feed. You can now see who your competitors are trying to reach. Hey, it's Rick Khan from rickkhan.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to steal your competitor's audience with Facebook ads. And if you watch all the way till the end, you'll have everything you need about your competitor's audience that will help put your ad directly in front of their audience so you can get conversions at the lowest cost possible. Now, perhaps best of all, using this unique method will help shortcut your research and give you the certainty of who you should target to launch your ad in the fastest time possible. And if you stay till the end, I'm also going to reveal an additional new bonus to find even more competitors' ads so you can increase the amount of information when running your advertisements. But just something quick. Now, if you're new to this channel, I strongly advise you always stay ahead of your advertising for your business by staying up to date with the latest changes and strategies by considering to subscribe below. However, with that said, jumping straight to the first part of this method, which is something you might not expect, where you're going to leverage the Facebook's algorithms to show you your competitors' ads as part of this strategy. This will give you a huge advantage by getting Facebook to directly put your competitors' ads in your feed as part of spying on your perfect audience. So here's how you can do this. Firstly, you want to have a list of as many competitors already written down, specifically finding competitors who are already running ads in your industry. And here's how you can find them. First, Google your competitors and check if they have Google ads running. And once you find an ad, click on it and go through their funnel. Make sure if it's an opt-in to put your email in, and then make sure you open the links in your email, because what you're doing is triggering the pixel on their website so they display ads on your feed. And another powerful way to get your competitors' ads is to go to the Facebook ads library, search your competitors or even the industries, click through the ads there and go through the funnel same as before. Now, here's something to add more fuel to the algorithm. Really make sure you immerse yourself in the industry. Go into groups and start chatting with other people in those groups. And just do a lot of immersion in the conversations around the niche topic, because all of these things will get Facebook doing the work for you and trigger the algorithm of the ads that you want to see. Now, once you've done all of this, give it some time. It might not come up immediately, but once Facebook picks up the data, it will start showing you your competitors' ads. And something real quick to mention, because if you do go to multiple competitors' sites, you will most likely get their retargeted ads. And one thing you don't want to do is have your entire feed filled with all of these competitors, because otherwise you won't see what interests they're targeting, and will more likely show they targeted you based on going to their site. Basically, they're retargeting ads. But the real trick here is to allow Facebook to pick up what kinds of websites you visit and what you're interested in, helping the algorithm show more businesses that are similar to what you're searching for. So really the biggest advantage of this is that you're going to discover more competitors you would never have thought of. And even if you get shown a retargeting ad, you're going to discover the angles your competitors are using to get their customers to buy. Which leads me to what you do once the algorithm starts to trigger, which is something not many people are talking about. The ads you get in your Facebook feed, you can now see who your competitors are trying to reach. All you need to do is tap on the three dots on the right hand corner of the ad, and all the information about who the business is targeting is all revealed. It shows you the age group and lets you see the location, and most importantly, their targeting, giving you all the information about who they're targeting at the interest level. And with that, you can start taking down all of the information. Now, here's the thing. Not only will you be getting your competitors' ads showing up, because part of why you first did the strategy of getting your competitors' ads in your feed, because now the ads that should start showing up should be new competitors that you might have never seen before or ever heard of, and you can start browsing their interests and who they're targeting. This information is so powerful when it comes to targeting and creating your own ads. Now, a quick bonus here, which is another way to find competitors' target audience is through Facebook's search bar. Now, this is often never really mentioned, but what you can do is type the industry you're looking for, such as dentist, and on the search results, it will start to show a few ads on this industry. Again, you can click through to discover their audience. This is more of a way to search for the bigger picture of the industry. So instead of getting specifics, you might just get the general industry niche of the competitors you're searching for. But again, this information holds so much weight when it comes to discovering targeting on Facebook for the perfect audience. Now, here's something you should be thinking about from all of this data, besides just taking all the interest your competitors are targeting. What's the pattern you're seeing? Are you noticing they're targeting lookalikes? Are they doing a lot of retargeting? Because all of these things you should pay attention to and add as part of your own targeting strategy for the best results, because essentially you're getting real feedback to tell you what's actually working. So I hope you got a good idea of what you need to do, and make sure to immerse yourself in groups and consume content and let the algorithm feed you on your competitors' ads. Take note of everything you see and create a document full of these ideas. And once you have all your audiences down, here's a video that helps you put those interests into Facebook to run your ads. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.